Gwei are the spirits of earth, and you learn how to actually have conversations with them and help them find their way home. And it's about love, not overpowering them. But there's also kind of emotional Gwei. Well, that's not really true. Emotional ghosts are like when you're possessed by your own thoughts. And it's like a worm that gets into your mind, and it got implanted there and you can't get it out. So a lot of illness is an emotional Gwei, because it's like, I can't get out of that state of mind of illness. For those of you who, haven't been working with this idea of Gwei, Gwei are, translated as ghosts. And, just so you know, it takes a lot of advanced work to really be working with Gwei. Maybe some of you are already doing IDs and EDs with potential Gwei treatments. I really feel that this is an area where people really do need some mentoring, because it is, something that could attach to a practitioner. So, there are different kinds of ghosts. Obviously, there's the hungry ghosts, romantic ghosts, traveling ghosts. There's all these different kinds of ghosts. And so we're going to do a whole workshop at the Alchemy Learning Center on March 13th about Gwei.